Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International History. I am going to start subject Geography of Standard 8, and this is third video lecture on the topic Power and Mineral Resources, Chapter 3. Dear students, we have discussed about the distribution of mineral over a large part of the different areas, and we will come to know about those areas, like the first, which is given about the South America. Okay, the Brazil, as you know, the area of Brazil. Okay, so it is the highest producer of high grade iron in the world, wherever the Chile and Peru, these are also the leading producing of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world largest producer of tin also. Okay, and South America that has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, magnesium, bauxite and mica. Okay, as well as the asbestos and diamond. Asbestos that we used to shed out the houses. Okay, so the mineral oil, these are also basically found in the Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Okay, so these are the basic minerals which found in a particular areas. If we will just assume that why these are found in a particular areas, then it's a long period of time. It is the formation of long period of time which can be elaborated not in a single word. It just take 1,000 of years, but as we are consuming these fastly, as when the human, they are just using it to satisfy their need, once it will be there, that it will be vanished. Okay, next is about the Africa. Dear students, the Africa is also known as dark continent. Why it is dark continent? Because it is full of the mineral deposits, but since there is the lack of education, there is the lack of technology, what it happens that they are not able to extract these mineral resources, and since in the lack of development, it is usually known as dark continent. Okay, so as Africa is rich in the mineral resources, it is world largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum, which three are very costly. Okay, and South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire, they are produce the large portion of world gold. See, it means even they are producing the large gold, since they are not getting the proper utilization. It means these areas, see the Saudi Arabia, see since they having the capacity to originate the oil wells, since see they that how much they are rich. Okay, because they know that how we have to trade due to the globalization, but these African people, they did not know. Even they were just the peoples, they were taken away during the colonial times. These peoples were taken away to do the labor at their particular areas. See what the situation is here. Okay, wherever the oil also used to found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Okay, this is the another part in the northern areas of the Africa. Next is about Australia. So Australia, okay, it is the smallest continent. Okay, and among the 7 continents, it is the smallest continent, Africa. So it is the largest producer of bauxite in the world, and it is the leading producer also of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel, and it is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and manganese. Two important things, Kalgurdi and Coolgardie. You have to remember this. Okay, the important question from this Kalgurdi and Coolgardie areas of Western Australia has the largest deposit of gold. Okay, so you have to keep in mind Kalgurdi and Coolgardie. These are two important deposits of gold in Australia. Okay, next is Antarctica. As you know, the Antarctica it is filled up with the ice sheets, but since it came to know that it also having the mineral deposits. Okay, so the geology of Antarctica, है ना, here we use the term geology. It means the geology, the term geology, it basically connect with the entire, it means entire of the surface areas. Okay, as the outer part it is covered with the ice, but the entire part, okay, there it came to know that there is also existence of variety of mineral deposits, since those areas are inaccessible. Okay, and these their trends, their relief features are very tough, since the peoples they are not taking out the minerals, as the significant size of deposit of coal in trans-strategic mountains and iron of near Prince Charlie Mountain of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, silver and oil are also present in commercial quantities. See, as these are being known to us, but since these are also just being as a potential resource, okay, because we came to know about it, but we are not using it. Okay, so it became the potential resources. Okay, now the distribution of India. Okay, it means the mineral and deposits which are spreaded above India. Okay, so basically if you'll come to know, then you will find out that the mid states of our India, like the Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, basically these areas having the lot of mineral deposits, where you will read about it. Okay, like the iron, India has the deposits of high grade iron. Okay, there are basically 4 types of iron. Okay, so the minerals that are found mainly in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Okay, and next is about the bauxite. The major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the minerals which are basically concentrated in a particular areas, and thus it is found there. Next is about the mica. So mica deposits basically in Jharkhand, Bihar, ओके, जिसे हम अब्रक कहते हैं, आंध्र प्रदेश, राजस्थान, एज इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर. ओके, यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर एंड एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ माइका इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड द कॉपर बेसिकली it is found in Khetri, the place Khetri, it is in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese, India's manganese deposit lie in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next is about the limestone. Since it is the non-metallic minerals, since it is also having the importance, like the major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Next is gold. Then gold, the Kolar, which is in Karnataka. Kolar gold field is also famous. Somewhere you have watched it in movies. There you could have find that how this mines is taken out the gold from there, as these mines among the deepest in the world, which make the mining this ore a very expensive process. This Kolar gold field, when you will see the movies, then you will get some ideas that how these mines are being captured and how the extraction of gold is being done there. Okay, next is about the salt. As you know, the coastal areas like the Gujarat, like the Maharashtra, okay, these all areas, some part of Rajasthan also through the Sambar lake, these all areas also wherever the saline water is available, it means the oceanic water is available there. In some part of Odisha also, there you could find out that there the salt producing states, and that's why we will not ever get the lack of salt in any time, because we are already bounded by the three side oceanic waters. Okay, next it is about the uses of minerals. Okay, so minerals basically it is used in many of industries, wherever it electronic industries, in manufacturing industries, many type of industries these are used. Okay, like the various jewelries and other things are also used to be made up, like the coppers is another metal used in everything from uh, coins to the pipes. Okay, like the copper it is also used in the wire. Okay, like sometimes we, if we want that, we want the high durability wire, then we want the copper wire. Okay, and silicons, quartz, these also having the specific use like in the watch industries. Okay, and also in the IT sector, and aluminum which obtained from the ore bauxite and used in automobiles and planes. Basically the mostly part of the aeroplane is made up of aluminum. Okay, and bottling industries, buildings, and even in kitchen cookwares, these are important where these minerals are being used. Okay, now next is, and the important factor is minerals or conservation of the minerals. So as we know that these minerals is a non-renewable resources, so it take thousand of years, okay, to form the minerals. But as the at the rate, at the present rate we are using it, once it will be a time that it will get vanished, because the formation of these minerals is very slow, but the rate by which we are using it is very fast. So there is larger difference, there is larger gap between the using it and between the formation of it. So what it will happen, that it will vanish in a time. Okay, so it is also necessary to just reduce the wasted and process of mining. So the recycling of metal is another way in which we could mineral reserves can be conserved. Okay, recycling, it means something which is used further it should be recycled. That's why somewhere you will see the recycling bin are also put. But people, we have to be aware about that, that the minerals, that the water, each and everything what have been given by God, these have to be conserved. As Mahatma Gandhi has already told us that nature has given everything to survive us, but nature has doesn't give us for our greed. यानी कि भगवान ने हमें अपनी जीवन चलाने के लिए सब कुछ दिया है ना, हाँ, बट हमारी लालच और इच्छाओं को पूरा करने के लिए नहीं दिया है. ओके, ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड कीप वॉचिंग.